Okay, so we can't all have record-breaking Shopify success stories like Kylie Jenner did with her store, making her a billionaire when she sold out all of her products in 20 seconds flat. But you may already have your Shopify store up and be selling some of your products and getting some traffic to your store and want to know how you can boost your sales way bigger than your existing audience and existing customer base. But with social media marketing costs rising and causing people like the serial entrepreneur to question, is this the end of social media marketing? We're going to need to look to other places to get customers to our store and prompt sales. Gone are the days where you could throw up 100 products onto Facebook ads, and because the cost of the ads was so low, you were guaranteed to make at least some sales and basically print money. Now you have to be more creative and look for other ways to get customers to your store. So today I'm going to introduce you to a method that you can use that's completely free, that you can use to potentially 10 times your existing Shopify sales. And this method basically gets other people to do the marketing for you, to promote your products, and it's going to be completely free, and it's a passive income source because you're not doing any of the work. Other people are doing the heavy lifting. So let's jump in and show you the exact method I'm talking about. So what I'm talking about is setting up a Shopify store affiliate program on your store and having people become your affiliates for you and promote your products. What this basically means is you find talented marketers and you recruit them as an affiliate to your Shopify store. And those marketers will go away and drive their audiences to your store for you completely for free and get you sales. And you're only going to be paying these people once you've made a sale yourself and once you've made money. So there's no upfront costs. You just pay out once you've had the profit reach your account in the first place. You pay that affiliate the commission as a reward for them encouraging a sale on your store. So this is the exact model, the Shopify store affiliate program model. Basically, step number one, someone promotes your products for you. Your product then sells, and then you then split the profits of that sale. So you're not keeping 100% of the profits like you would normally. You're splitting that profit between you and the affiliate, the person that marketed your products and made the sale for you. So whereas you would be spending money with social media ads on things like Facebook, YouTube, Google, Instagram, you'd be paying money up front with no guarantee that you're going to make a sale. With having a Shopify affiliate app installed in your store and setting up an affiliate program, you're only paying money when you make a sale. Now, I've done lots of videos on this channel about affiliate marketing and how you yourself can become an affiliate to make money. But I wanted to make a video today showing how you can basically create your own affiliate program and get affiliates to make you money. So as we can see here from this recent article from Business Insider, last year, affiliate marketing drove 16% of all e-commerce orders. So this is a really powerful way of getting new people to your e-commerce site, so your Shopify store, and making a sale. It's making up 16% of the industry at this point in time. So you really shouldn't be missing out on this opportunity to install a Shopify affiliate app and get a Shopify affiliate program installed on your store and start having other people drive customers to your store for you. So exactly how do you do it? How do you get a affiliate program set up on your store and start having other people sell your products for you? That's exactly what I'm going to cover now in the rest of the video. So the first process to getting this up and running is you're going to want to install your Shopify affiliate app. That's done simply and easy by going to the Shopify App Store, doing a search like I have here for affiliate marketing. You're going to be given a list of tons of different plugins you can install in your Shopify store to get an affiliate program set up. There's a lot of different providers here, as we can see. Now, my personal recommendation is this affiliate app here, because with these, basically, you can have unlimited affiliate links. That means that you can recruit an unlimited amount of affiliates into your store and you're not paying any higher cost. There's a flat fee of $39 a month, but with that $39 a month, you can have unlimited affiliates. The way that some of these affiliate programs work is you pay more money for the more affiliates you have representing your store. But this app I'm recommending here is a flat fee of $39 a month. It works in Shopify, WooCommerce, and Squarespace, and you can have unlimited affiliates on your store. It's one of the highest rated apps in the App Store, and Kylie Jenner actually used it for her own Shopify store to track affiliate sales amongst her 108 million followers. So if it's good enough for Kylie Jenner, then it's definitely good enough for you to have a look into, and it's good enough for me to recommend. So if you want to use this Shopify affiliate app yourself, I'll put a link to this affiliate app in the description, and that link's also going to give you a 7-day free trial so you can test this out risk-free and see if this method works for you. Okay, cool. So next up, I'm going to run you through how you can attract affiliates to your brand in order to have them start promoting your products for you. But first off, I'm thinking of doing a future video which is going to be a step-by-step tutorial of how to install a Shopify affiliate app into your store, basically walking you through, looking over my shoulder, me doing it myself, and basically how to get all those affiliate accounts set up and do, like, basically the technical side of having this in your store. So if you want me to make that technical video, this video gets say 50 comments and 100 likes, I'll know that that's definitely an area that you're interested in, and I'll make a video on that in the future. So go ahead and leave your likes and comments below. Okay, cool, so you've got your Shopify store, you've made a few sales, maybe from friends or people that know your brand already. You've decided you want to grow your audience and scale out. You've decided that you're going to use an affiliate program on your store, and you've installed the affiliate app into your store. How do you then attract affiliates to start promoting your products? Well, there's 3 areas you can promote your affiliate program in order to get the attention of affiliates and have them come to your brand and start representing your products. So first off is social media. Send a message out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, anything you have at your disposal to announce the launch of your new affiliate program in your store. Here's an example that Vianetic used on their Instagram account, announcing their new referral bonuses that they're going to give to all of their referees, so their affiliates, a bonus of $100 and 30% per referral. So here's a clear example of how a brand promoted their new affiliate program on social media, Instagram in this instance. But like I said, blast the announcement of your affiliate program out to any social media channel you have at your disposal. Another method number 2 you can use is email marketing. Do you have a big audience already, a big email list built up that you can send out your affiliate program to? I'm guessing that if people are already buying your products, then they're going to basically know other people that are going to want to buy your products too. So you can get them set up as an affiliate on your store, and then when they promote your products that they're already buying to their friends, they're going to get rewarded too by earning a commission from you. So an email list number 2 is a great way of promoting your new affiliate program and getting new affiliates. And finally, put it on your website. If you're a brand selling products online, you should have a website. Whether it's your Shopify store alone, you might have a blog section to that, or whether you have a separate website, announce your affiliate program on your website. That's method number 3. Great, so you've installed your Shopify affiliate app, you've recruited affiliates to your affiliate program. Final step is running your affiliate program. And when you've installed basically one of these apps that you have on screen, I've already recommended one to you in the description below, that's going to handle all of that for you. It's going to handle allowing people to basically create an affiliate account on your store. It's going to handle sending out unique links to all of your affiliates so you can track which affiliate made which sale, and it's also going to handle paying out commissions to your affiliates. So you can basically set different commissions amount for different products. So if you have $100 products and you want to pay people maybe 20% of that sale when they make that sale, you can give that product a 20% commission ranking. If you want to basically give 5% commission on another product, the affiliate app is going to handle all of that for you. So the final step basically is tweaking your affiliate app you've installed to the settings that you're happy with, and then letting the app do the rest for you. It's going to be a completely passive source of income. Other people are making sales for you. The app is handling, paying and rewarding those people. It's basically increasing your sales for free. You're not paying these people up front, you're only paying them a reward once you've had the profits hit your account in the first place. So if you've hit a rut and you're trying to increase your sales on Shopify or even WooCommerce or Squarespace, install a Shopify affiliate app and have your affiliate program increase sales for you. You can do this simply and easily. All you've got to do is install the app and put those few settings in. Like I said, if you want a more technical video, let me know in the comments below. But this is super easy. It's accessible to anyone that has a Shopify store, and I'd really recommend you exploring it. I love affiliate marketing. I talk about it on this channel all the time. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more info on affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or any source of passive income. That's my bread and butter. That's what I look at every day and what I basically provide tips with on this channel. But yeah, what I want to leave you with is just some motivation that you can do this. There are other options outside of social media, paid advertising, to increase your sales, with a Shopify affiliate program being one of those. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think to the video in the comments below. See you very soon.